Welcome to the demo of the summary report created using the HR schema. This report utilizes the employees and departments tables to display employee details filtered by department ID, along with the total salary for each department. The layout features components such as main frames, text fields, and repeating frames to organize the data effectively. The data model is designed with 2 queries to retrieve all necessary columns, including a summary column that calculates the total salary. Parameters are incorporated to enable dynamic filtering based on the department ID, and an employee ID range provided by the user, ensuring precise data customization. The same report has been replicated using Jaspersoft Studio. It is designed with bands such as title, detail, and summary, incorporating elements like static text, text fields, and table components, which function similarly to the RDF file. The report is built using a main query and subdatasets with parameters. These parameters allow filtering data based on a specific department and a range of employee IDs. We have reviewed the design layout. Now, let's run the report in Oracle Builder. After configuring the required parameters, the executed paper design is displayed successfully. Similarly, we will run the report in Jaspersoft Studio. By setting up the parameters, the report is previewed, and the design is rendered effectively. A side-by-side preview of the report allows for a direct comparison, highlighting how the design and output align seamlessly between the 2 formats.